everybody, D Viper here with Mad Max Cars. I'm standing in front of a replica of the Interceptor from Fury Road. This one, presumably, as far as we know, is the very first replica that was ever built of the Fury Road Interceptor. You may have seen it in our Fury Road pre-screening promotional video that we did during the event that we did with Warner Brothers to promote the pre-screening and the upcoming release of Fury Road. We'll have a link to that in the description below. This car, we've already revealed it to the client, but it came back in to have some repairs done. It sustained a little bit of damage off-screen when we were filming the Wasteland Legends movie, which you'll see a link for that in the description below also. Bill Brown, the owner, is going to come into the shop and pick it up after we've done a few upgrades and a little bit of repair. Feel free to check out the video, let us know what you think. If you haven't already, click subscribe down there below, and of course subscribe doesn't do what it used to do on YouTube, so also click that bell for notifications so you get a notification anytime we put out a new video. In any case, enjoy the video, we'll catch you at the end. Yeah, so here it is.
Looks great.
So you remember how flimsy it was?
Yeah.
So now start pushing. Try to see what you.
It's awesome. The whole thing's awesome. It ain't going anywhere.
That's the way it should be.
It's the way it should be.
You can see the brace from the inside of the doorway.
Oh, nice. Oh, and it acts as a touch shield too.
Basically, yeah.
Because that's so much better than the factory touch shield.
You have to spray some,
POR?
Yeah, 450. No, not
The other
450,
thing
the other one. Oh, I bought a new one of those too.
Oh, good. Yeah, because
The other one, I
that
sprayed on
sucks.
it, it turns around.
You have to order it from Australia, or is that one you can get a US equivalent for?
Because I had to reline the hood, I had to take
Had to do a notch?
out of that side. So,
The headlight buckets those are so nice. It's nicer than what was before.
Yeah, Mad Max Cars custom headlight buckets.
So yeah, everything should be solid now. I had to re-straighten both of these. Dude, I swear to you, when you hit that deer, that pan probably moved over 2 to 4 inches and sprung back.
Yeah, the fiberglass pulled the bent brackets back.
Yeah.
Wow. The
And-
fit is much nicer than it was before. Awesome. Looks great.
Yeah, so don't hit any more deer.
So tell us, give us the,
Oh, yeah, you gotta do
in-depth
this
story
in
of the deer.
Okay, so where's Colin? We're driving, so we're driving, and it's 17 degrees outside. We just got finished doing that day's shoot. We're headed back to the place. Was it that first?
No,
I think it was the morning.
It was the morning.
It was 4 a.m. in the morning on the
You're right.
way to the site.
You're right. It
On
was
the
on
first
the
day,
very
we hadn't
first
even
day.
done any filming yet.
It was dark. It was
Yeah.
cold. We went
Yeah.
over a rise at 45 miles an hour, and Colin goes, "Deer!" I'm like, "What?"
Bam.
Just like that. 150-pound plus mule deer, hit it right there. Hit the skids, get outside, go, "Oh no!" I'm thinking my car's toast. I'm thinking it's Road Warrior knows for sure now.
Yeah.
So I come out here and I'm like,
We're all kind of standing around. Are
I'm
you
like-
sure you hit something?
"We hit it, right?" He's like, "Yeah," because you could hear the thump. The whole car thud, and didn't even notice it until what, the next day, that there was a
Yeah,
teeny
or
tiny
that
crack.
day out there we were, hey, it did a little more damage. And, yeah, you showed me a 1-inch crack.
Yep, it came up the side seam and like
Yeah.
a quarter of an inch onto the surface, and that was it.
Yeah.
Except for now what you tell me it did with the bracing.
Little more damage than we thought, but everything sprung back into shape. You could almost not tell.
And that was what? That was 15?
Had to be after Fury Road.
Yep.
Yeah.
It was Thanksgiving of 15.
That's right. Yeah.
Because that was the year I did everything.
Yeah.
I did 3 trips to California. The halftime, car show, regular one, and also did Sturgis.
We did the Fury Road premiere in May 15th, and then it was, November of 15 that we were filming Wasteland Legends.
Everything was 15 also.
Oh, that's right. This car did the Uber for the Mad Max game premiere.
Yes. Yeah, this thing's got a lot of history.
You won't scuff the paint. Do you want a demo on film? You're jumping on the front bumper routine.
Oh, I could do that.
You want to do it, Phil?
Yeah.
This would break any other nose cone.
Well, in case you didn't notice, these are my footprints trying to hold up my tarp building when you
Holy cow.
So when the car's in the carport, I'm actually walking on it. And I weigh 200 with all clothes and stuff on, so.
We
How
have,
often do you see somebody walking on their show car?
Well, I won't walk up there, because that's metal.
Yeah.
But these babies,
holy cow.
these babies
yeah.
are tough.
Yeah.
These are about as tough as you're gonna get.
I did not design them to hit deer. Okay, so you hit one and I was even blown away. So.
Well, I need to get a little deer sticker with a circle.
Yeah. It did get up and walk away though.
It did. But I tell you what, she'll always walk with a limp.
Yeah.
So here's my old car, Dan. Remember my old one?
Yeah.
In the movie, if you look at the stills very closely, you can see the nub of a power antenna that's down all the way in the actual movie car.
Only you would know that.
We went through that. I went through that film frame by frame with Steve
scoured
Plant
every
to find
corner.
every single thing.
Yeah, that is in every frame.
This stripe
is on some
actually continues all the way around the front of the car.
around the front of the car on part of the movie, and part of it doesn't.
Yep. This is the Plant stripe from when he checked out the movie. Oh, I got a new set of these.
Oh,
See, I got a pair of nice brand new ones.
yeah.
Because remember I lost the one up in the film shoot? When we did the spin out,
Yeah.
that came around and ran into the front of Dee's car.
Yeah.
When I did that, the stuff in the trunk, popped this one out. And it's up there. It's up there in Palouse Falls somewhere.
Okay. All right, so you're happy? Okay, cool.
Oh,
Good. All right, sweet.
Well, there you have it. I hope you all enjoyed that video. Again, this is Steve Viper with Mad Max Cars. Feel free to click that subscribe and the bell below. Come back and check us next time.